When people think chest, they think bench press. But to actually build a strong, defined chest, you need to understand what the pecs really do. First, we'll break down the pecs, their anatomy and function. Then, we'll dive into how to train them effectively for real results, and show you how to avoid chest tightness with smart stretching. Your chest has two main muscles, the pectoralis major and the pectoralis minor. Pectoralis major, the large fan-shaped muscle giving you pushing power and that broad chest look. Pectoralis minor, a thin muscle beneath the major, key for scapular control. The pec major has two heads, the clavicular and the sternal. Because they attach from your collarbone and sternum to your upper arm, the pecs do more than push. They bring the arm across, up, or down. That's why pressing angles matter. To target the upper chest, go with incline presses or low to high cable crossovers. For the lower chest, do decline presses or dips. To hit the mid-chest, use flat bench presses or cable flies moving inward in an arc. The pec minor, though small, is important for stabilizing the shoulder blade. It gets worked indirectly during dips, push-ups, and full-range chest movements. And yes, push-ups still build your chest. Elevate your feet to target the upper chest more. They hit both pec major and minor. Do 10-15 quality sets per week. Focus on form, use progressive overload, and control every rep. Don't forget stretching. Tight pecs lead to rounded shoulders and poor posture. Stretch to stay mobile, pain-free, and balanced. Add stretches like doorway chest stretch, wall corner stretch, lying chest opener, foam rolling across upper chest and front shoulders. A well-developed chest isn't just about size, it's about structure, function, and balance. As a bonus, when you have a toned chest, your clothes fit better too. Subscribe for more anatomy-based breakdowns and build a body that performs as good as it looks.